There are 4 types of chemical reactions in the chemistry world. The first type of reaction is a synthesis reaction. This is when 2 components come together to chemically react. These are known as your reactants. Come together, chemically react to produce a product, one product, A, B. For example, if you had a cloud come together with raindrops and then something magical occurs and it's all of a sudden a cloud with raindrops. The second type of reaction is decomposition. Decomposition is the opposite of synthesis. You start with something in combination, chemistry occurs right here where the arrow is, and your products end up being the components of the compound. So for example, if you started with a cloud with raindrops, that's your compound. Something chemical occurs here, and of course it breaks down into its 2 components, a cloud plus raindrops. The third type of reaction is single replacement reaction. It's essentially when an element plus a compound breaks down or switches places, chemically reacts to another compound plus a different element. So for example, if you're looking at my dancing thing here, you have, guy A wanting to dance with girl A who's dancing with guy B, and then all of a sudden she switches partners. Same thing for single replacement. You have a whole new couple and then one new person left out in the loop. Double replacement reaction is just that. It's when 2 things switches places. So typically one aspect of each compound is going to switch places with each other in the products. So again, they switch places with each other in the products. You'll notice the B and the D switch places. So if you want to look at it in terms of dancing couples, you have, couple A plus couple B with their individual partners. Something happens, they get into a fight, oh my goodness, and then they switch places. And you get 2 whole new couples at the end of the reaction. That is a double replacement reaction. So again, you have a synthesis reaction, which is a coming together of components. You have a decomposition reaction, which is a breaking apart of your components when you're finished with the chemical reaction. You have a single replacement, which is one person switches places, one thing, one aspect switches places in the equation. And you have a double replacement reaction where 2 things switch places in the reaction.